Hello guys, good morning, good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back. Actually with not bad day trading recaps. I caught most of the moves the first 30 minutes, but I did some mistakes, not following rules, but I'm happy with what I did here. I'm up green for the day. I could have been a better day, but Tesla was just crazy uh volatile at the open. It was a little scary to trade. As you can see here, I didn't even trade the next few candles because I wasn't really sure where it's gonna go. Um, so what I did was I had 182 as kind of like my level to first 180. Yeah, so 182, 180, 185. I'm gonna show you where I got that 180, 185. So 180, 185. I'm gonna show you where I got that. I have 180. So these blue ones are just pre-market levels. So I just marked them just to see if it goes above that, that's probably going to be a long. But I was really short bias at before the open. As you can see here, it's just trending down. And if you look at the daily here, it's kind of like actually due for a for a sell off already. But Tesla is strong. As you can see here, it recovered really nicely for the day. It moved about $8, as you can see here, $8. That's a crazy move. But I call it just at the open move, winning move, which is about 183, roughly $5, roughly, yeah, roughly $5. So that's actually not bad. Um, Overall, I like what I did here, but I wish I did not get FOMO because if, as you can see, it was just really strong at the open. Not strong, very volatile at the open. Like per candle, it's moving about 80 cents to a dollar. Like as you can see here, this is about a dollar. This is about $1.29. So this candle here is second candle is $1.89. So I shorted the volume of the first minute was actually crazy. Let's see how much volume it had. One sec. Never mind. I don't want to check. But the second candle, this is where I shorted it. Where's my execution? So there's a few mistakes here. So sorry about that. So 182. Move this a bit here. It's 182.05, breakdown of 182. I got a partial. I did not trade a big size for this. I traded a dollar risk for this, so this was not a good trade. It's a winner, but I was hoping for a breakdown of 189. Uh, I only traded a dollar because this candle has moved about $1.30. Yes, and stop out. And I really thought it's going to be a long. I did not chase the long because I wasn't sure. It's just too volatile. It was just too volatile to open. The next trade that I did was actually a long. So 182 above that 182, I took it long. Immediately, I just stop out because I wasn't sure, and then tried again. So it's two stop outs and a long, small stop outs, and eventually I started shorting because of I said, okay, it's not really breaking that because it when I tried it twice here, it's not breaking down to 183, breaking up to 183, and I said, let me wait. Shorted here. I caught a good move and I stopped out, and then this was the winning short, which is this 182.31. Yes, who I shorted. This is actually a bold move because it was rejecting this 182.60 here. It was a really good move because I even shorted it with 50 cents. Typically, I don't trade 50 cents on a stock of $184. Typically, you should be trading a dollar on a $200 stock, roughly, because 1% of Tesla is $1.80. Because 186, right? So you shouldn't be trading 50 cents on this one. But I'm gonna stop out if it goes above 60 area, like this highs of this candle. It's just I felt that it was actually short. And then yeah, so caught a good move. I didn't even take partial. I even weighted 1-to-1 here, not really 1-to-1. So this is 31. The next partial was at 74. So close to 1-to-1. I patiently waited and just partial 10% on this one up to here. This is probably where I take 25% off. Yeah, so I can, like, it's just too much move. Yeah, so this is about $1 move. Yeah, so that was good. So whatever loss here, I made it back. So that's the short 180, 131, and then I kind of ran out of shares. Here I was just taking partial, and then I re-added back 180 area. I didn't have any levels. I was just looking at the tape, and then I just got out here because it looks like it was dying down. Yeah, I was patient here, and then it was time for me to get out because I had to leave. Yeah, that's it. So that was a good trade, but overall, I wish I did not take these long trades, even though those are stop outs, but those are manageable risks. Like here, this is a little bit of a loss, but this was a manageable risk, really tight. I was risking $1 at this one, I can remember. This one as well, but that's about actually like this was an out, and then I shorted, and then like this is just a mess here. But I gained back some of it here, and then I reshorted here at 182.31. Yeah, this one. Yeah, it's overall it was a bit of a messy. It's a bit of a messy trade, but yeah, it's not bad. And look what happened to Tesla. Imagine if you're not taking profit on your bias. So I'm really happy with this. I hope you get a good move out of Tesla as well. Yeah. Let's see what happened. Oh, where I got those levels. So 180, 195. Give me one sec here. Okay. Okay, so let's look at Tesla 180, 195. Where is that? So 180, 195 is the high of this candle here. So as I thought it's gonna bounce at that area, but it was actually really weak. And it's also a level somewhere yeah, here. I was looking at the same level, exactly almost the same. And I said I'll have 183 and 182 as my level where it's going to go. So normally when I'm trading the open, I make lines roughly on those levels. Let's say, okay, let's go back to my DAS. Sorry about that. So let's look here. So I have 180. Yeah, so roughly I have 184 and 181 here. I have a lot of blue lines, which means I'm telling myself here that these are pre-market levels. If it holds below that, I'm probably gonna take it short before that. But if it goes above, then it's gonna do a breakout of a pre-market. Let me remove that. Break out of a pre-market and all the way to pre-market highs, which is about 184 to 185 if that happened. I was just reading price action in this one. I was really scared because of this candle here. Went back here, and the reason why I was long because of this large wicks, this two large wicks here. That was the real reason I was long. So I took it long here. I even retried it here because of this large wick. So it was being bought back at 182. Yeah, that was what's happening. Every time it touches 182, it closes above 182, and then it failed. I waited a few times when it failed. Yeah, I got the move, and then just to flush down because I can see that nobody's actually printing above that 182.50 area. Um, it was hard. It was hard basically. What else? Oh yeah, Nvidia. It's crazy, man. Look at Nvidia. Wow. It's at 400 now. My God, 395, up 26%. Dang, it's crazy. It's crazy. 400, road to 400. That's insane. Wow. Wow. Yeah, so I saw that earlier, and we just did a really, really crazy move. Um, yeah, that's what happened today. Let's see what happened tomorrow. I hope this drives the market up. Um, see how it goes. Thank you for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel and follow me in my social media accounts. If you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll get back to you. I'd say it was an easy, the easy day is just, I did some execution mistakes, but yeah, I'm happy. Right? Thank you for watching and have a good day.